Hi, this is Helco Hecking from Ante BV from the Netherlands. As you know, we are manufacturer from small and medium scale milk processing equipment. We help farmers and processors adding value to their milk. Our equipment is simple, as manual as possible, and we can sell that in many countries. We sell in Europe, but we also sell equipment in developing and emerging countries. But we know that we have to give service, maintenance, and training to our clients. We like uh, that our clients possess a very good product from their milk. That's why we have in many emerging countries our own company with a good technical installation team, and we help them installing the milk processing equipment with training, and we give service and maintenance. I hope I have given you some information. Thank you.